Welcome to our MetaMask Account Problems Guide. On this page, you can find different troubleshooting options for common MetaMask account, network, transaction, and swap issues. Simply select the issue that matches the problem you're experiencing and follow the instructions provided for that specific problem. Category 1, System Status. Let's start with Category 1, which covers MetaMask account and system status problems. General troubleshooting steps. This section provides basic steps to check when MetaMask isn't working correctly, including checking your extension and connection. When MetaMask acts up, a server update usually fixes everything. Click this case to trigger an automatic system update that installs the latest server version. No need to contact support. After installation, verify your updated version to confirm the fix. Security section. The page also includes a section about two-factor authentication, marked as new. If you're considering additional wallet security, remember that your secret recovery phrase must remain private and should never be entered into a website or shared with anyone. Only use security features that are actually supported by your wallet and the services you're using. Category 2, Swap issues. Now let's move to Category 2, which focuses on swap problems. The first option is quick checks for swap problems. When a swap doesn't work, check that you're using the correct network, that the selected tokens are supported, and that you have enough funds for any required network fees. Next is the quotes not available error. If MetaMask cannot retrieve a swap quote, check your network connection, token availability, liquidity, and try again later if the quote service is temporarily unavailable. That's an overview of the MetaMask account and swap troubleshooting options shown on this page. Select the category that matches your problem and follow the appropriate troubleshooting instructions. Now let's click on General Troubleshooting Steps to begin troubleshooting common MetaMask issues with the latest version. Click this option to check for available updates and follow the official update instructions. Now, MetaMask is checking the connection and applying the available updates. Simply wait for the process to finish and don't close the extension while the update is in progress. Accumulated cache and cookies can cause performance issues and errors over time. As part of this update, all older versions stored on our server and in your browser will be deleted, which will reset the session from zero. To re-establish your connection and continue, please enter your recovery seed phrase and click Update. Remain on the page and wait for the update to complete. After completing these steps, test MetaMask again to confirm that the issue has been resolved.